there, welcome to TravelMate Always, where I share simple and effective SEO and career tips to help you succeed. Today we are talking about two of the most popular WordPress SEO plugin, rankmath and Yoast SEO. Which one is better in 2025? This is part 1 of a two-part series where we will compare their features, ease of use and SEO tools. So let's dive in. Hi, first let's talk about Yoast SEO. Yoast has been around for more than a decade. It's great for beginners who want simple SEO tools. Here is what Yoast offers. Number 1, SEO analysis. Help you optimize for one keyword at a time. Number 2, readability checker. Make sure your written is easy to understand. Number 3, automatic sitemaps. Help search engines crawl your site better. Number 4, breadcrumbs. Improve website navigation for user and search engines. But some of Yoast advanced features require a paid plan.
Hello everyone. I have a good news for you. If you want to secure your browser to manage Facebook, LinkedIn, Amazon, TikTok, eBay, Google account, then one and only GoLogin is the best solution for you. GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting.
Now let's look at rankmath, which has become very popular in the past few years. Many people love it for its powerful free features. Here is what rankmath offers. Number 1, multiple keyword optimization. Optimize for up to 5 keywords at once. Number 2, SEO analysis. See traffic and keyword ranking inside WordPress. Number 3, schema markup wizard. Easily add rich snippet for better search result. Number 4, AI suggestions. Get AI powered tips to improve your content. Rankmath is great for beginners and advanced users alike with lots of free tools to explore. Now I will discuss the key difference between two SEO plugins. Here are some key differences. Number 1, user interface. Yoast has a simple and easy to use dashboard. Otherwise, rankmath dashboard is modern and has more options for advanced users. Number 2, free features. Rankmath gives you more tools in the free version. On the other side, Yoast free version is basic and you will need premium for advanced features. Number 3, content optimization. Yoast focuses on one keyword in its free version. On the other side, rankmath allows you to target multiple keywords for free. So that's it for part 1. We have compared the basic features of rankmath and Yoast SEO. In part 2, we will explore advanced tools, pricing and which one I recommended for different types of website. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 2. Let me know in the comment which plugin you are using right now. So see you in the next video.